Omurukiko rubire rugenderire kuretaho kurinda ibura ry'amizi no kurinda eby'obuhangwa ekyakubasa kuzibira emifureje obutoma no butaboga abatura bari hihi n'emifureje bashabirwe kurinda eby'obuhangwa ecoretirwe ngo butarinda eby'obuhangwa kirugirireho emigera mingi yaguma neboga.
So the rainfall amounts keep on changing. The intensity of the rains, we can have a huge volume of water, a huge rainfall intensity falling within a shorter period than in the past, where I would have rain spread out across the month. So we have had experiences of flooding within Kasese.
Dr. Guma Brian oritimu ridabwe change cha Albert Water Management Zone okurgo Ministry y'ebyamizi hamwe no kurinda eby'obuhangwa nashaba abantu abari hiyi n'emigera nkugwanya mwamba mpanga semurichi hamwe n'endijo
To be at the center of preserving these critical ecosystems. Otherwise, if we continue cultivating up the river bank, 30 or 40 years from now, we won't have any rivers flowing within the Rwenzori or anywhere else if we continue degrading the river systems.
Richard Rwabuhinga or chairman LC5 wa district ya Kabarore wenagira ngo abebembezi bayikire korera hamwe okurebeka ngo biragire byo kurinda eby'obuhangwa byatibwa mamani.
Our political leaders nutekwa kwataniza kura mweberagira ebrukubazaho kurelera no kurinda eby'obuhangwa byatekwa mu nkora hataro kusorora yekyo cyaba kitakozirwe abana baitu n'abayikuru tujya kubagweterense nyakuomere yatacyale productive yatasobora kubahereza ebyokuri.
Even as we speak, my district environment officer Toroko has written to NEMA, has written to the zonal office, Minister of Water and Environment in Fort Portal, putting a red alert that the river Semuliki is soon collapsing. The banker on the Ugandan side in Kayanja 3, Bweramule sub-county, is posing a serious danger to this country. It will collapse, River Semuliki will change its course, and then the whole of the lower sub-counties of Ntoroko, 6 of them, will flood. Where shall we put the people?
Right Honorable Joseph Kure Mulanga orienganzu y'obusinga bwa Rwenzurul nagira ngo bamazire kubane bakwatanisa no bukama bwa toro no budingiya bw'abamba okurebeka ngo babyare emiti ekirize kugaruraho eby'obuhangwa.
So we have agreed the 3 kingdoms that we should work together, make sure that we plant these trees and preserve the environment.
Gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzi omuri Kasese.